Let's burn rubber. Hey, it's just stew gearheads. Windows cracked. Coffee going cold in the Q folder. Name's Jocks. Been wrenching since my old man let me swap plugs on a 78 F150 with a butter knife. This channel, we don't do press release fluff. We chase the smell of hot brakes at 2 a.m. and the sting when a deal's too good to be true. Tonight we're hunting 8 luxury SUVs bleeding value faster than a V8 on nitrous. Why 2026? Because the cliff is coming. New tariffs, battery mandates, and dealers desperate to clear lots. These tanks are about to hit the used market like meteors and meteor dust. That's where the smart money plays. First ghost in the garage, the 2023 Range Rover, yeah. The one that still turns heads like a supermodel in sweatpants. I slid behind the wheel of a P530 with 12,000 miles. Owner traded it because the air suspension threw a hissy fit at the worst possible moment. Dealer quote, 48 grand off sticker, 48. That's a down payment on a house in some zip codes. The cabin still smells like cannoli leather and broken dreams. Massage seats that hug you like your ex who wants you back. But here's the whisper, parts are gold-plated. Budget another 10 grand the first year or learn to love the bus. Next curveball, the BMW X7 M60i. BMW calls it savage luxury. I call it a 600-horse tuxedo with anger issues. Found one in Alpine white. Carbon trim still sticky from the wrapper. Original MSRP 127K, auction paddle dropped at 61. That's half, brother. Half? The laser headlights slice night like a scalpel, but the run flats ride like wooden clogs on cobblestone. If your chiropractor sends Christmas cards, maybe pass. You feeling the rhythm yet? Good, because number 3's the silent assassin Mercedes? GLE 63 SAM. Gee, picture this. I'm on the 405 doing 82, exhaust popping like popcorn in a microwave. Kid in a Civic tries to race. I let the V8 clear its throat one downshift. Bye-bye. Thing is, CPO examples are already dipping under 70. Why? Because every TikTok influencer bought one, filmed 3 reels, then needed rent money? Depreciation curve steeper than Lombard Street? Alright, confession time. I almost cried sliding into a 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. 4-liter twin-turbo, 631 horses. Ceramic brakes the size of manhole covers. Porsche tax usually keeps these north of 150 used. Not anymore. One popped up with 8,000 miles. Owner upgrading to the electric taken because range anxiety is so 2023. Hammer price? 92? I felt the seats hug my ribs like they knew my sins. 0 to 60 in 3.1, but the real flex? Adaptive air suspension that irons out potholes like they owe it money. We're halfway, coffee's gone and the plot thickens. Ever hear a Lexus LX 600 beg for mercy? Didn't think so. Toyota S bulletproof 3.5 twin-turbo V6 wrapped in quilted leather and wood that smells like a Tokyo boardroom. These depreciate slower than molasses. Until now. Fleet returns from Dubai are flooding ports. Spotless black on black, 14K miles, 68 grand. That's Highlander money for a Fortress on 22s. Crawl mode laughs at boulders. The fridge in the center console keeps your Red Bull frosty while you re-winching your buddy S Jeep. Number 6, the DRS Q8. Lamborghini Urus's shy cousin who still parties. I threaded one through Angeles Crest at Dawn Carbon Ceramics glowing cherry, tires singing in minor keys. Quattro grip so sticky I could have towed the Titanic. Sticker was 142, private sale closed at 79, owner cited crypto winter, his loss, your adrenaline. 7th, the sleeper, Cadillac Escalade V. 1,000 pounds of freedom, 682 supercharged horses, magnetic ride that reads bumps like Braille. Found a black Raven with the 38-inch old curving like IMAX. MSRP 155. Guess the gavel. 89. GM's pushing the IQ electric brick. Gas guzzlers gotta go. 6.2 liters of America. Third in MPG City. 0 apologies. We're at the end of the road, but I promised a jaw dropper. Close your eyes. 2024 Rivian R1S Adventure Quad Motor. Yeah, the electric brick that hauls 11,000 pounds and hits 60 in 3 flat. Early adopters ate 30% depreciation the second software update bricked their camp speaker. One owner, panoramic roof, 400-mile pack, off-road underbody armor. Auction closed at 49 grand, 49. That's less than a loaded RV4 Prime. Charge it at home, never buy gas, flex on Tesla Brothers with actual ground clearance. So here we are, moonroof open, stars doing donuts above. 8 unicorns about to graze the used lots in 2026. Pick your poison, badge, boost, or battery. But tell me in the comments which one's calling your name at 3 a.m. And if you snag one, first tank or kilowatt is on me. Hit the bell, keep the revs high, and I'll catch you on the next midnight run.